Dustin Bennyfield. This is the welding program. If you like playing with fire or working with metal, this might be a good course for you. We offer Marion and Washington County. There's dual credit in all these courses, so if you want to apply for dual credit while you're in high school, you can earn college credit. A lot of these people are getting out of school and making a whole lot of money doing these trade jobs. There's a lot of openings. There's a really good outlook in the job program for it. We offer industry certifications with OSHA, with AWS, and with the Kentucky Department of Transportation. So there's a lot of opportunity right here for juniors and seniors especially. There's classes you can take where you can actually co-op and you can go out in the workforce and start earning work experience while you're still in high school and be making money at the same time. So that's a good thing going on with the program. We're just growing every single year. We're getting new equipment in here. We're getting new machines. We're getting more industry certifications out. We're getting more students interested in the program. So all around, it's a good program to be in. The program's growing every single year and we're getting better and better. Maybe this course will be good for you because a lot of this course, the majority of it is going to be hands-on. We don't do a whole lot of written tests. We don't do a whole lot of writing and reading and all that, but we do a lot of practicing and coming out here and spending time, using the torch, spending time using the grinder, spending time using the arc welder, learn how to turn it on, learn how to turn it off, setting things up, shutting things down. So being out here and having more time out here is going to benefit you more than just reading about it in a book or something.